Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a keyring or a split ring. This is a ring that holds keys and other small items which are sometimes connected to keychains together. Other types of keyrings are made of leather, wood, and or rubber. Keyrings were invented in the 19th century by Samuel Harrison. The most common form of the keyring is a single piece of metal in a double loop. Either end of the loop can be pried open to allow a key to be inserted and slide along the spiral until it becomes wholly engaged onto the ring. Novelty carabiners are also commonly used as keyrings for ease of access and exchanges. Often the keyring is adorned with a key for self-identification. Other forms of rings may use a single loop of metal or plastic with a mechanism to open and securely close the loop. It is easy, as you can see, to use this keyring. A key chain or a keyring is a small chain usually made from metal or plastic that connects a small item to a keyring. The length of a keychain allows an item to be used more easily than if connected directly to the keyring. Some keychains allows one or both ends the ability to rotate, keeping the keychain from becoming twisted while the item is being used. A keychain can also be a connected link between a keyring and the belt of an individual. It is usually employed by personnel whose job demands frequent use of keys, such as security guards, prison officers, janitor, or retail store managers. The chain is often retractable and therefore may be a nylon rope instead of an actual metal chain. The chain ensures that the keys remain attached to the individual using them. It makes accidental loss less likely and saves on wear and tear on the pockets of the users. I like it. It is easy, so brilliant, thanks to Samuel Harrison, a good man. It protects our keys on one ring. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.